Struggling to pick the ultimate trading app? Let's dissect Thinkorswim, Tradingview, and Webull to find your perfect match. First, Thinkorswim, the power user's dream. Note their advanced charting capabilities. See that you can load tons of technical indicators. Thinkorswim's depth is unparalleled. They offer paper trading to let you practice without risking real money, perfect for beginners. Next, Tradingview. Observe how it excels in community. Notice how their social networking features are integrated with charts. Look at the user-friendly interface. See how it lets you share your ideas. Remember, Tradingview excels at visualizations with beautiful charts, providing great insight. Finally, Webull, the mobile-first platform. Look at how clean and intuitive it is. See its easy stock tracking and information. Note the simple interface. Keep in mind that Webull makes it easy to invest on the go. So which one wins? If you want depth and advanced analysis, Thinkorswim is for you. Tradingview is the go-to option if you love social and great charts. Lastly, Webull for mobile and simplicity is your tool. Your trading style determines your best trading platform.